If you are a stay-at-home mom, a teacher, a student that just finished secondary school, but you are up to 18 years, even if you are doing white-collar job, but you needed extra hustle, something that can give you extra money, these two websites that I want to mention is for you. And in this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can successfully sign up. As long as you have your phone and you have your stable internet connection, you are qualified, you are good to go. What you need to know about those apps, make sure you watch from start to finish. I'll be revealing everything you need to know about this site. Now, here is a disclaimer. I'm not telling you that the moment you sign up to this website that you start making money. But if you are consistent, diligent in what you are doing, this site can pay some bills for you. Before you sign up to any website, make sure you study everything about that website, the payment method, how legit that website is, so that you don't end up wasting your time. I'm still Shavera. In this channel, I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platforms, websites that pay you from the comfort of your home. If that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive straight to it.
This is their platform. This is how it looks like. So you can see the payment method here. This has plenty ways through which you can withdraw your money. You can also withdraw your money direct to bank. You can have bank access here, withdraw your money to your bank. You have different ways. PayPal, you can also withdraw your money through PayPal. I've used this website countless times, so it's really effective to me. But I'm not promising you that if you start immediately, you will start packing money. But there is every tendency that if you give it a try, if you give it your honest try and be consistent with it, you'll be able to pay some bills with it. Earn up to $5 per survey, 130 survey available in Nigeria. So as a Nigerian as well, you have opportunity to do your surveys on this website. The average user earns $11 yesterday. So cash out from $5. The moment your money gets to $5, you can withdraw your money. Simple by voicing your opinions on current affairs. What washing of liquid you use or what TV you prefer to watch. You can put some extra money in your back pocket just by using a paid survey app. So these are the things that they ask you here. Earn money by taking surveys in Nigeria. So this very site is also applicable in Nigeria. Now, one good thing with this, the moment you sign up to this website, you will be credited $1. You have $1 instantly. They will give you as bonus for signing up to this survey. So it's very convenient for me. So I don't know about any other person. So I've used it countless times, then I've cash out from it. So there are many ways you can withdraw your money. You can also use gift cards, Visa. You can use different ways. Frequent questions people ask: can I make money with paid survey? Let's see. Prime Opinion is free website where you can earn real money for taking paid surveys. Simple sign up with your email and start earning today. Right after signing up, you can start making money. The average users withdraw their first cash out on the same day. So you can sign up that same day and still withdraw your money that same day. So this is how easy and convenient this is. Now, what personal information do I need? So the personal information you need to create an account, you need to provide your email address. We may also ask for some proof information such as gender, age, and education. We can match you with surveys and tasks that are relevant to you. These are different questions that people ask concerning this opinion. This is how the website looks like. This is how it looks like. So if you want to sign up to this website, just come to this place. Put your email address. Now, for instance, my email address, let me use this. Now, they will send you emails on your email address. They will send you email to confirm. So, let's go to the email. Okay, this is the email. You just click confirm email. It takes you back to the website. Log in successfully. Now, this is it. You got 100 points. Now, this website deals with points. The moment you get to 500 points, you'll be allowed to withdraw $5. 100 points is equal to 1 point. So the moment you register, you'll be given 100 points, which is $1. need to get extra 400 points so that you can withdraw your money. So you can as well register that same day and make money from this website that same day. Start onboarding, you click here. They will ask you a few questions which will help them to match you with the right survey. So you just need to answer correctly. English. You just few questions. You just put your date of birth, male or a female. You choose the one you are. Continue. What is your zip code? So if you are in Nigeria, any country you are, just put your zip code, and that is the last question. That is all. So what you do next is that your balance has been updated. They have given me extra 20 points for answering my onboarding. Now the total point I have here is 120 points. So this is how it is. Now take survey. You can come to this place and start taking surveys. So they will bring out some surveys for you to start taking. So they have short surveys, they have long surveys. So that is it. This is very simple. Anybody can do this. As long as you have your smartphone and your stable internet connection, you can do this and make money literally every day. Get to the second one. This one is like one of my favorites. I use this one consistently. Survey Junkie. Get paid to take survey and make money online. Millions of people trust Survey Junkie and share their opinions and behaviors in exchange for reward and gift card. Take surveys and make money online. So this is one of my favorite surveyor that I used to cash out daily monies. So I think if you give it a try, I'm not saying that the moment you sign up, you will start packing money. But if you give it a try, if you diligently and honestly give it a try, I think it's worth trying. Okay, this is how it look like. Take survey, get paid. Be an influencer. Share your opinion to help brand deliver better products and services. You don't really need experience for all this. As long as you are buying products, you use gadgets, you watch television, you drive car, you are qualified for these surveys. So you don't really need much experience to be part of this. So this is how the interface looks like. Take survey, build your profile, and we will match you to the surveyor. So you need to build your profile. Now some people say they sign up to a particular website and they did not get job. The problem is that your profile are not well built. If your profiles are not well built, sometimes it may be a hindrance for you not to get job. So I'm not saying that everybody that did not get job is because their profile are not well built. No, it's not what I mean. What I mean is that try your best to make sure you answer some questions and answer them honestly, so that it will be easy for them to match you with the right job. Now I say earn reward, complete surveys and earn virtual point. Get paid, redeem virtual point for paper or gift card. So this very one use gift card, or if you have paper, you are good to go with this very Survey Junkie. In fact, it's one of the sweetest spots where I used to make money and prime opinion. So those two and other surveys like that, there are many of them, which I'll keep sharing here one by one. Now these are testimonies. Survey Junkie is a fun, entertaining information throughout, provoking and rewarding. I highly recommend it for nights. It took some honest hard work, but I had fun doing it. Got my first paper payout. Thank you, Survey Junkie, for the reward. So there are many testimonies that a lot of people are sharing testimonies here. These are testimonies. Get reward for your participating on reward program, offers popular gift card and cash out via PayPal. So you can use Amazon gift card. You can use PayPal. So make a difference as a consumer. Your opinion can change the product of tomorrow's. Try it. Join the community. So this is the website. This is how it looks like. Is now another thing I would like to let you know from this survey website is that what they will ask you here is to fill your form, your email address, and maybe one or two little questions they will ask you. But the moment you want to withdraw your payment, they will ask you to do verification, ID verification. Then you'll be needing driving license or other government IDs that you have to do your verification. So if you want to jump into it, make sure that you have one of these things to verify your ID before you can start working on it, so that at the end of the day you will not work finish, then when you want to withdraw your money you won't have any government ID to withdraw your money. So you need government ID to be able to withdraw your money. These are frequent questions people ask. So please, before you sign up to this website, I want you to take your time and make sure that you make your research on this, so that you will not waste your time at the end of the day. So that is it. Make your research. So let's go and sign up, so that you know how to sign up if you want to sign up. Now you come to this place, click join. This place you'll be asked to put your email address. Okay, your voice can change the product of tomorrow. Set up your account to share opinion and get paid. Get started. Put your zip code, date of birth. Okay, next. Now talk about gender. You need to give them your gender. If you are a male or a female, you put it next. So place who will receive the reward. That is, you place your name here, your first name, Morgan Tabata. So you need to place your password here. Okay, start earning. Now that is the onboarding. We are through with the onboarding. It says become a member, create your profile. Your answers will be used to match you with new relevant survey every day. You are ready to go. Create your profile. Okay, save password. Now you have earned 25 points for becoming a member. So here is where I create my profile. Do you own any of the following pet? So if you have any pet, you can select any pet that you have. So if you don't have pets, you can say no, I don't own a pet. So let me even use it here. How much of your household grocery shopping do you do yourself? If it's all of it, you pick all of it. You can say almost all of it. What is your living situation? If you are living in a rented apartment, you pick it. If you're a household owner, you pick it. What is your marital status? You choose if you are married or single. What is your race? So you can use black and black African American. Do you speak Spanish? No, if you don't speak Spanish. Are you of Hispanic or Latino or Spanish? No. So how many children do you have? You can pick any number. Then answer the following information about each child in your household. What is a higher level of education you have? What's your household income level? So you pick anyone you pick, note it down. Are you a registered voter? What is your employment status? Full time. In which industry or professional do you work? Select other. So if you work in any of these industries, you select. If you don't work in any of them, you can ignore it. What is your job title, level, or responsibilities? So you choose your job title, the level of your work, approximately how many employees work at your organization. So Christian, Catholic, non-Christian. So everything is set. You have earned 50 points creating your profile. Your answers allow us to match you with 128 new survey from 28 brands that won't hear from you. Become a member, create your profile. You are ready to take surveys. Complete your survey in your spare time and earn real money. That click here, these are surveys that you can take within the day. Just answer honestly. So before you finish answering this survey, you'll be able to hit that 500 points to be able to withdraw your money. So let's see the reward side. Now this is how it is. Now this 75 points, let me change it to USD, is 0.75 cents. You can withdraw your money with gift card. Then you can use Visa, which a lot of people prefer to use. So this is it. You can use your paper, bank transfer safely, and it's like they are also allow bank transfer here. Save cash as direct into your bank account. So you can also withdraw through bank transfer, paper, and this paper take 1 to 3 business day. Bank transfer take up to 5 business day before the money will land to your account. So this is how it is, guys. So if you have spare time that you need extra cash, I think you should give this a try. It's worth giving a try. Let me know where you are watching me from, and also let me know the one you will be giving a try, or if you are using it already, let me know at the comment section. See you guys. Take care. I want you to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it so that YouTube will recommend it to many people that really need this side hustle. See you when next I come. Bye bye.